Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check the newsfeed and how to write posts on Etoro. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, if you want to open the newsfeed on Etoro, you have to go to the menu, and here you will see in the trade section the newsfeed button. So if you tap on the newsfeed button, it will open up the newsfeed. Here, if you don't follow anybody on Etoro, will appear like random posts from the Etoro community. Very interesting fact that if others are talking or posting about any kind of stock or cryptocurrency, it will open up here and you can start right from here trading that stock or cryptocurrency. As you can see right now, I tapped on the Bitcoin and I can start buying or selling Bitcoin here, which is very helpful as a trading social media platform. This, I think, is a very smart way to help others communicate around their trade. So how you can post here in the newsfeed? First you have to tap on this little icon in the top with the pencil, and if you tap on it, you can start typing anything that you want to post about. You can also upload photos. You can also tag other people or stocks, anything. For example, as you can see, if you want to tag people, you have to use the email icon, and I can start typing and people will show up here, whoever I want to tag in the post. And I can also, if you can also tag markets, stocks or cryptocurrencies with the dollar icon. Let's start with the B, and all the stocks or cryptocurrencies which start with B will show up. Bitcoin, Alibaba, Baidu, Bitcoin Cash and Binance Coin. Let's see, if I type A, I will see Apple, Amazon, ADA. So all of them will appear here, and when I post, then that will show in the post, and others who see it can start trading just as I showed you before. So that's how you use the Etoro newsfeed and how you can post on it. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.